Clustering Service Module. Streamlining AI clustering with scalability and precision. The Clustering Service Module optimizes AI workflows in the GOD framework. It uses K-means and DBSCAN algorithms to partition data, evaluate performance, and visualize results, ensuring precision and saving time. As an open-source solution, it democratizes AI tool access. Purpose: it addresses key clustering challenges by automating model setup and execution, providing intuitive outputs for result validation, efficiently handling large datasets, offering visualizations for interpretation. Key features: the module provides essential features for accessible clustering, multiple algorithms, K-means and DBSCAN for various needs. Silhouette scoring automatically evaluates performance. Parameter customization, flexible settings adjustment. Data normalization, pre-process datasets effectively. Cluster visualization, produces color-coded 2D scatter plots. Extensive logging, detailed monitoring logs. Role in GOD framework: the clustering service enhances AI tools through data segmentation, groups similar points for efficiency. Streamlined pipelines, easy integration with systems. Improved decision-making, provides scores for optimization. Cross-application usability, valuable for segmentation and detection. Future enhancements: planned improvements include new algorithms, hierarchical clustering and Gaussian mixture models. 3D visualizations, complex dataset plots. Dynamic algorithm selection, recommendations based on data. Real-time clustering, streaming support for IoT. ML pipeline integration, works with predictive analytics. Cluster stability analysis, tools for measuring stability. Conclusion: the clustering service simplifies workflows for AI projects. It reduces implementation complexity while offering evaluation tools for insights. Its open-source design supports scalable, reliable AI development. With upcoming enhancements, it remains a leading solution for data segmentation. Adopt it to simplify clustering and achieve precision. Tags: AI monitoring, GOD framework, resource utilization, real-time metrics, open-source monitoring, future enhancements, AI performance insights.